back to my channel. Today I am just doing a fun little chit chat get ready with me. I am just doing really simple makeup today. I'm getting ready basically just for my day. I have a fun date night tonight, and we're not doing too much fancy stuff. So yeah, I figured I would film my makeup that I'm going to be doing for tonight and do some fun Q&As with you. So let's get started. So first I am going in with the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. I am going to be putting on some chapstick. My lips look so red right now. Like, why? For primer, I'm going in with the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. And this is actually the only primer that I use when I'm just doing simple makeup like today. I don't like to cake on a lot of primer. Sometimes I feel like if I just use too much, it just kind of makes my face even more oily. So this is all I'll be using for today's makeup look. So I'm going to start going with questions. I'll put them like right here. So Emma Bartleson, she says, what are you and Dalton's goals right now? So Dalton is my boyfriend. I mean, I feel like both of our goals from the beginning of the relationship is obviously date to marry, and I feel like that's just both of our intentions. I mean, we've almost been dating for 3 years, so there's really no point in dating someone for that long if that isn't your intention, in my opinion. But yeah, no, we're both just working right now, getting bank. I'm still in school. Obviously, he isn't. And yeah, we're just chilling. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I feel weird talking about it on video, but yeah, I mean, I would just think anyone, just like anyone else's intentions in a relationship. I think that's all I'm gonna say. By the way, I am using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Breakout Full Coverage Treatment Concealer. I love using this as a foundation. I feel like it's a good just foundation for days where I don't want to be doing a lot of makeup and I just want to keep it simple. I have been breaking out on my forehead just because I've been doing so much makeup because of work lately. So yeah, I figured today is a good day to use this stuff. Okay, next Emma also asked, how often do you do full up makeup? So I do full up makeup every single time I go to work, basically every time. Not unless like I'm in a hurry and I just had a long day and I'm working like a night shift. Then I'm not gonna do like as full out of makeup, but otherwise, like if I'm going out, like not tonight, just because, I mean, we're going to a movie and space aliens. So, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna do full out makeup for that. I mean, I'm not gonna wear I'm not gonna wear fake lashes to space aliens and a movie. I mean, I'm probably gonna bawl my eyes out. I can't talk today. I'm probably gonna bawl my eyes out at this movie. So I would say maybe 4 times a week, because that's roughly how often I work. But then also, like, if I'm filming one day and I don't work, I count that, obviously. Okay, she also asked, is your makeup video station thing at your apartment? No, it is in my parents' basement. I know that sounds really stupid, but literally I just don't have the room for it at our condo, and I really wanted to do this, and so this is where I am. Honestly, it really works out. I'm always here anyway, so coming at you at my parents' basement. I'm putting the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick in the shade Pinky Dust just on my cheeks. I do this just to kind of give some like pink undertones on my cheek. Now, I never set my face if I'm doing this makeup look. I just don't really find the need. The next question is a tour of your apartment or condo. I would actually love to do this. I think this would be so fun just because I love decorating, and I think it'd be cool to just give a tour of it. I would have to ask Dalton's permission. Obviously, this just isn't my condo. We share it. I mean, so it's not like I own it. So obviously I'm gonna respect his privacy too and ask before. But yeah, I would definitely love to do that. Okay, so Alexis asked some questions. Would you rather be able to only wear mascara or only do your eyebrows forever? Definitely eyebrows. I mean, I don't even have to think about that question. I hate my eyebrows like without doing them. I just can't. I feel like I have nothing there. So yeah, that one was easy. Definitely eyebrows. She also asked, where do you plan to live after school? So I am such a homebody. I love family. I'm very family oriented. I absolutely loved growing up around family, and like my grandparents lived right across from me. I just think that's the best, and so I would definitely say the FM area. I can't really imagine myself moving. I can see myself moving like when I'm young, but then once I want to settle down and have a family, then I'd want to move back into the FM area and raise a family there. I feel like that would be a good in between. So I would definitely probably, you know, move places when I'm young, but raising a family wise, I would definitely choose this area just because our family's here. But right after school, I'll probably still live here a couple years, and then I can see myself like living in the cities for a little bit. I've kind of always wanted to do that. I think that'd be cool, just to like experience the big city. But yeah, I think that's my plan. Do you plan on getting any more tattoos and piercings? I think I'm good on piercings. Alexis, you know that. I hate piercing pain. I don't think I could do it again. I've always wanted to get my nose, and I can actually see how it would be such a hassle for the healing process because my cartilages in my ears aren't even healed yet. And that's been a long time, so probably good on piercings, but tattoos, yeah, I love tattoos, so I would probably get more. I've been wanting to do a sleeve. Like, I'm already basically halfway there. So, yeah, I would definitely get more. So right now, guys, I'm just putting the NARS Casino bronzer all over. I use my FARRAH brush 50F for all over my face and neck, and right now I'm just kind of contouring my nose with my 55E brush. And I'm also going under my lip just to kind of give my face some contouring and shape. And then next, I am going to use my Cosmetics brush number 322, and I'm just going to go right in with my bronzer and just go right on my lid. I honestly do this all the time when I'm too lazy to use real eyeshadow. I think this is just a great trick. Because then I think this looks really natural. I mean, I think if you're going for the natural look, use whatever bronzer that you put on your face, on your eye. Okay, so Alexis also asked, who's your best friend? With the emoji raising your hand. That's really hard. No, I'm just kidding. I can't choose. Obviously, Alexis and Lauren are my best friends. I would never be able to choose between you two. Y'all are great. You support me in literally everything. And we just have the best time together. And you know all my deepest secrets. So, love you guys. Obviously, you're my best friends. For blush today, I'm using the NARS Deep Throat, and I'm going in with my 40F brush. And I'm just putting a little bit on my cheeks. since I already did some before with the stick. And I did go on my nose too. I feel like this just kind of gives me the sunburnt look. And I'm also going back in with my 50F brush just to kind of make sure all that is blended in well. I don't want the blush to be sitting awkwardly on top. I usually don't do highlight when I do this makeup look just because I like how it looks more natural. And I feel like this foundation kind of just already gives you kind of that natural glow. Okay. I'm gonna do my lips right now actually. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Creme Cup lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna try to dab that in. I'm also going in with my NYX Butter Gloss Fortune Cookie lipstick. I feel like this just makes it not as pink. I know this MAC lipstick is very pink, so I didn't want it to be too overpowering since this is a natural look. And then you just dab it in. Voila. For eyes today, well, for eyebrows, I'm going with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in the shade Ebony. And I'm just brushing my hairs up. Okay, so Hunter Catamus, he asked, what are your plans after college? So, I am going to Rasmussen right now. Oh my god, I can't do this at the same time. I am going to Rasmussen right now to get my RN. And so after I have my RN degree, I plan on working at kind of a place like Rejuve. But I really feel like I might have a bigger passion of working at a place like Blush Beauty Bar where they do like microblading, more of the makeup end of it. But I really did want to get my RN degree that way just in case maybe I do want to go more of that route with the beauty where I would do like injections and fillers, stuff like that. That way I have that degree when I'm young instead of me trying to think halfway through my life, oh, maybe I should go back to college because that would just be a bitch. So that's kind of the plan right now. I definitely kind of might want to start by working at, I think Blush Beauty Bar just because I know Trista, the owner, and I just might feel more comfortable there right away. And then maybe I would work at Rejuve. Yeah, that's the plan so far. I'm pretty excited. Okay, one of the last questions is, well, the last question. By Maya Anderson is your what? Wow. What is your all-time favorite beauty product? Oh, this is hard. Okay, I might have to tie this in with like obviously the one thing I can't live without is eyebrows, right? So I might have to say the Anastasia Beverly Hills like eyebrow products. I absolutely love it. I think all of the products that they have for eyebrows is amazing. And I would recommend it to anyone. So yeah, maybe that, because I feel like I love the NARS foundation. It works so well with my skin. I've also had other foundations where I thought worked really well with my skin. So I feel like I could always find another foundation, but I just love the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow stuff. I love their pencil. I've used their paint pod. Paint pod? What the fuck are they calling it? I don't remember, but you know what I mean. I used to always use that in high school. And then like probably my senior year I started just using like a pencil. I feel like it just looks more natural, but recently I've been really wanting to try it again. I would say that's my favorite product. I think that is all for questions. Thank you to everyone who put questions. Made today's video fun. I'm just trying to make my eyebrows look like twins instead of distant cousins. Okay, I'm gonna go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel just to kind of brush those babies up. I think I'm gonna show you guys something that I usually don't do, but I have been kind of recently. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade 0. It's just a black eyeliner. And I'm gonna go into my waterline on the top but I kind of like doing it. I just feel like it really helps my eyes, you know? I think when I put mascara on, then it just doesn't look as bad, maybe. But what I'm also going to do is lightly put it on top. And don't worry, it does not need to be clean. Just like that, like literally messy. And then I'm going to take a little short brush. I'm going to take my 45E brush and literally just like kind of buff it into your skin. And this just kind of creates the grungy makeup look, which I have been loving for like when I do makeup like this. Ta-da! I love it. I'm gonna put a little, just like whatever's left on my brush. I'm just gonna rub it on my lower waterline too. Just like really light. I mean, you can't even see it, but I think it does something. I just tried my eyelash curler. I'm just gonna take an eyelash curler, quickly curl my lashes. I'm going into my Benefit They're Real mascara. Bam. Okay. Time for bottom lashes. Good enough for me. Oh my god, you guys know I forgot to put my setting spray on before I did my mascara. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to wait to put that on, so I will be putting on the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control, but just not right now. Maybe a little bit later before my face turns oily. Okay, so this is the final look. I will zoom y'all in. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a ton of fun doing this for you guys today in the Q&A. I like how the questions were more about my life and not just makeup. Definitely made it more fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I think this is just a great grungy, natural makeup look. And it's definitely easy, so hope you guys like it. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Take me away to Neverland. What colors?